Okay guys, welcome once again. So now we want to write the general formula of each compound. For alkane has a general formula of what CnH2n plus 2. For alkene has a general formula of CnH2n. Alkyne has a general formula of what CnH2n minus 2. Why this alkene? I mainly say what? Alkene is what? Alkane minus one hydrogen. Are you getting me? So for alkene is from whenever one hydrogen is deducted from what? From an alkane compound. So I name it what? And I usually say this to be what? Alkene. I refer this to be what? Alkane minus one hydrogen. So assuming I say what? H2n plus 2 abi, if I should remove minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 will give us what? Ordinary plus 1. Then the general formula for this one will be what? CnH2n plus 1. This one is reduced by what? By 1. Now let's take popular compound methane. Assuming assuming I'm not giving the structural structure of what? Methane. How can I get it? I know that met means how many carbon? A single carbon. 1. Are you getting me? 1. This n right here denote the number of what? Number of carbon. The n in the formula denote the number of carbon. And I know that my met right here means 1. 1. You know all this one too denote the number of what? Carbon present. And the number of carbon is what? N. Met means what? 1. And it belongs to what? N. N means what? It belongs to what? An alkane family. So I will denote this to be what? I will just go to general formula for what? Alkane, which is what? CnH2n plus 2. And anywhere I see my n, I put what? 1. Because the number of carbon is what? 1. So this one will give me what? C1 H2 into bracket 1 plus 2. Are you getting me? Now C1 is C other C. We say 1 next is S in mathematics. So we have H 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. CH4. If you check the previous example when I was explaining about the basic, I told you that CH4 is what? Methane. As simple as that. I think we are not giving this the social formula. Using the general formula, you can easily get it. Assuming I have to find butane for example, butane. You just go to the general formula CnH2n plus 2. But in the question means what? 4. Abi? 4 carbon. You have known your n to be what? 4. N means what? Is an alkane family. Then you have known the general formula for alkane to be what? CnH2n plus 2. Anywhere you see n in the equation, you put in what? 4. So this one will be what? C4 H2 into bracket 4 plus 2. So we say what? C4H 2 times 4 8 plus 2 10. C4H 10, as simple as that. Also, so now moving to alkene. You can solve my example. Okay, lay around of this assignment. Take this as an assignment. Do for nonane and heptane. All of the structural formula, the what? The molecular formula of nonane and heptane. Now let's move to alkene. Alkene. Assuming you have to find heptane. Now I told you that what? They don't their list is what? Het. Are you getting me? They don't start from het. So heptane. Now for heptane, you want to write what? The general formula, the molecular formula without giving the structure. You just know that what? Het means what? 2 carbon, right? Het means 2. You have got your number of carbon to be what? 2. And ene is signifying that it's what? Alkene family. What general formula for alkene? CnH2n. Then anywhere you see n in this question, you put in what? 2. So this one will give us what? C2 H2 into bracket 2, which is what? C2H4. Are you getting me? As simple as that. Now assuming you are asked to find propane. Pro means that what? It contains of 3 carbon. Definitely your n is 3. N signifies that what? This is an alkane family. So you just say what? What general formula? CnH2n abi. And n number of carbon. Number of carbon right here is what? Pro, which is what? 3. So we say what? C3 H2 into bracket 3. The reason we give us C3H 2 times 3 6. I get me? As simple as that. So you can also do for you two should do for nonane and what? Heptane. Now moving to the next alkyne. Assume you have to find for what? Butane. Butane. What's the what? How many? But means what? 4. 4 carbon. You have already know your end to be what? 4. The iron engine here means that what? It belongs to a what? Alkyne family. Then with this, we just say what? We just use the formula. Anyway, you see and you put in what? 4. C4 H2 into bracket 4 minus 2. C4 H 2 times 4 8. 8 minus 2 6. C4 H6. Oh yeah. Now, moving to the next one, we have pentyne. Pentyne. For pentyne like this, let's say pentyne. Pent means what? 5. Then your number of carbon is 5. YNE, iron means what? It belongs to an alkyne family. So we say what? C5 H2 into bracket 5 minus 2, which is what? C5H 2 times 5 10 minus 2 8. C5H8. As simple as that. Now let's move to alkyl. I told you that what? I said alkyl is what? Alkane minus what? 1 hydrogen. It is derived from what? Alkane family. Now let's check. Let's see if that's true. Assuming I have methyl, this one will be ending with what? YL. I have what? Methyl. Are you getting me? Assuming I have methyl, sorry. Assuming I have methyl, how will I name it? Assuming I have methyl, then met means what? 1 carbon. YL means what? It belongs to what? Alkyl family. So I said met. Met means what? 1. Anyway, I see any here, I put in what? 1. So this one will be what? C1 H2 into bracket 1 plus 1, which is what? C1 is C, H 2 times 1 2 plus 1 3, CH3. Can you now see? Alkane, methane is what? CH4. Methyl is what? CH3. Just subtract 1 hydrogen. CH4, CH3. Yeah, let's do for butane also. Yeah, let's do for butane. Butane, under here to be what? Butyl, right? Under here to be what? Butyl. Yeah, what's the formula? C4, abi, H2 into bracket 4 plus 1. Then this one will be what? C4, H, 4 times 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Can you now see? Butane is what? C4H10. But in butyl it will be what? C4H10. Actually, you are just subtracting 1 hydrogen. Alkane is derived, alkyl is derived from alkane. Alkyl is derived from what? Alkane. Are you getting me? So now you two also do for what? Nonil and what? And eptil. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.